Nifty hits a historic 24,174 amid positive US PCE data. Will profit booking set in today? Let's see market trends, technical analysis, and key upcoming events. The good news, the headline US personal consumption and expenditures, PCE, and core PCE were up 2.6% on an annual basis, slower than what was seen in April and in line with economists' expectations. Well, the said inflation data should help the Federal Reserve to cut rates at least twice this year, perhaps starting this September. Futures traders are currently pricing in a 60% chance the Fed will issue its first quarter-point rate cut at its September meeting, up from 45% 1 month ago. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests profit booking could set in if Nifty and its stocks start the day on solid footing on backdrop of soft reading on US inflation. Long story short, well, profit booking amidst overbought technical conditions could be the preferred theme, especially after a hot first 6 months of the year for equities. Global cues are negative. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 23 crores, while DIIs were net buyers to tune of Rs 6658 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. FANO June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX has slipped towards 13.80 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 1.49 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 1.25. Nifty outlook, profit booking quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4011. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,851 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,177 mark. Range for the day is between 23850 and 24100. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 342. Interweek support is placed at 51,901 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,181 mark. Range for the day is between 51,905 to 900. Bias for the day is neutral positive. This week, investors' attention will be on Friday's payrolls report and FOMC minutes. All eyes will be on the upcoming union budget, with the tentative dates for tabling the budget could be around July 23rd to 24th during the monsoon session. Meanwhile, in Friday's trade, Nifty's rally lost steam as traders looked to book profits after Nifty scaled new record high at 24174. Sensex new record peak was at 79,671.58 mark. Please note, Nifty ended 2.17% higher on weekly basis. For the June month, Nifty gained 5.75%, and for the first half of 2024, the benchmark was up 10.49%. In last week's trade, Bank Nifty ended 1.32% higher at 52,342 mark. Bank Nifty's new all-time high is now at 53,180.75 mark. The FIIs bought to the tune of 4,352 crores rupees in last week's trade. At Wall Street, for June month, the S&P gained 2.9%, the Dow was up 0.7%, and the Nasdaq rallied 4.9%. For the first half of 2024, the S&P added 15.1%, the Nasdaq 20%, the Dow gained 3.7%.